It's tempting to wait and see how things evolve before defining a responsible AI strategy. But waiting means risking that teams will guess at the rules and do things that land them in unsafe territory. If you start building your responsible AI guidelines as you begin building your generative AI capabilities, everyone starts with a safety-first approach that aligns to your organizational culture. The techniques defined in earlier videos for refining results also apply to producing responsible results. Part of evaluating a foundation model's fit is comparing test outputs to see which model produces the best results for that use case. Use inference parameters to strike the best balance between creative and deterministic output. Use prompt engineering to control the tone of output or exclude specific words from the results. Consider adapting a model with domain-specific knowledge to reduce the likelihood of hallucinations. Another important approach is to use safeguards to detect and filter out unwanted content in both the input prompts and in generated outputs. Regardless of model choice and the techniques used, you might need to employ human-in-the-loop reviews, that is, to have people review the outputs. The greater the impact of getting it wrong, the more important it is to have a human in the loop. Use human reviews during development and over time to make sure that the model continues to meet expectations. As your humans gain more knowledge and experience, you might find ways to modify prompts, add filters, or even ask the foundation model to audit its own output. Then, you can automate some of these tasks to help scale. The Amazon Bedrock features you heard about earlier support these approaches. You can choose different models, run evaluation jobs, experiment with parameters, and use prompt engineering. You can implement Amazon Bedrock knowledge bases or customize a model to use your own data. Use Amazon Bedrock guardrails to prevent undesired content from being used in inputs and outputs. Amazon Bedrock guardrails has options to filter for harmful content, define disallowed topics, and block or mask sensitive information. It also includes a contextual grounding check that can detect and filter hallucination when given a reference source. With Amazon Bedrock guardrails, you can implement consistent safeguards that aligns to your responsible AI strategy.